Hello everybody and welcome back to Mystic Elements. We want to thank you guys for checking us out and tuning in to our channel. Today we're going to just be working on the property, trying to get everything together. So again, thank you guys to all of our viewers, all of our subscribers, all around the world. We love you guys. You guys are awesome. Keep it up, keep it up. We're trying our best to keep the footage rolling to you guys, the content, you know, but the closer we get to moving in, the more content we can kick out. So thank you guys for tuning in. We love you guys and have a wonderful day. Different times, different measures. We own it. Thank you.
Like and subscribe, share to everybody you know.
And I can see if we can find out what the ladies are doing. Look like they're getting us some vittles together.
So we got a pot with fresh carrots and potatoes and kale.
Let's see.
Sweet
Fresh
potatoes,
carrots, potato. Let me see. Open that pot up. Let's see what's in here.
some Parmesan cheese.
That
It looks
good.
good.
Look at that, y'all. Cooking out here on the off-grid.
Fresh
Yes,
veggies.
indeed. Got DL hooking up the little burner.
Because I'm too scary to mess with it. You see I'm standing back at a distance.
Yep. Gotta eat.
The kids are getting us the
It
chairs.
is beautiful out here.
It is.
Very nice. Where the kids down the belly?
They went to go get the blue and white chairs for
We
us.
went to the belly. As Tay would say, the belly of the beast. Living in your own forest.
Chromacopia. Thank you.
Thank you.
We appreciate
Bring the
it.
cheers for the,
But
huh.
you see the gas
Poof. It's gonna
Yeah,
go
let me
poof.
move. I'm afraid of that.
Oh, it's lit.
We just can't see it. That's what
Yeah.
I said. Look at, I can see the fumes are on.
This stuff in the bag so fast. But we have
What we got? What we got?
farm fresh eggs that
Farm
are
fresh
ready
eggs.
to shake up.
And
I
go and make the.
put some seasoning in there. We got
That's
some
right.
tomatoes.
Maters.
Brought some little tortillas.
That's
Got some forks.
fork.
I brought us a chai.
All right.
The chia pudding.
We made with fresh honey
Oh yeah.
and vanilla.
So we just need to let this get a little bit warmer. And
Cooking on the off-grid.
we're still good.
Good job,
Man.
sister. Thank you.
I was like, oh, I don't want to use plastic.
No.
Like, oh, my jars. Uh-oh.
Dad's getting us cooked. Okay. And I have no battery. My phone's
And
dead.
my utensils.
Good job.
All right. So let's make sure we're getting.
Get a close-up look on that again. That looks delicious. Look
All
at
the
that.
fresh veggies, and you got the farm fresh eggs to top it.
Man,
Nice
eating
skillet.
good.
It's that bright kale.
And it
Yeah.
smells delicious.
We got a little brown potato.
Man, that
Unfortunately,
smells
my
good.
sinuses are stuffy, and I can't smell anything at all. But my eyes see the deliciousness there.
All right, we'll let that cook up a little bit more, and then
Okay, so I
throw
went
our
inside
eggs in.
and tried to do a couple little scrapes on that floor, and boy, that is a.
Did you use the correct?
I used my dad's.
Well,
so
I
I
have
used the
one.
correct
I
tool.
have one that
It's a
I
workout.
bought. You have one that might be dull. I have a brand new one like that in there.
His just has, it's old school and it's got a heavy handle.
I have a brand new one in there.
I know, but what I'm saying is it's like
Okay.
I had to put some muscle in it.
Oh, the floor.
Yeah, that's a workout. I tried to do it one-armed and that was not, like, it laughed at me.
We have that orange scraper.
That's the one I was using.
Oh, you brought that?
Dad did.
Oh yeah, that one works good.
But it's heavy duty and you gotta use both
Oh,
arms.
it's a little watery still.
Do I hear music? Is that mama dog? Oh, okay, I heard it pull around. Or is it?
You'd have heard somebody say something.
Oh, you want to hear some sizzle? We got some
Watch this.
sizzle going on. Yeah, don't. Our wind blew out
Fire?
the fire, but
That's why I should have took it inside the little room right there where we cooked that last time.
it's dark in there.
Oh, okay. Open up the windows. You got all the boards closed.
I got a little barrier.
David,
We're
Okay.
good.
Go ahead. I mean, they can't see all that. You.
farm fresh eggs. Dano's farm fresh eggs. She grew these eggs. No, not literally, but you know, cared for the chickens. I made it sound like she popped them out. That's part of my charming humor. Sorry. Looks good. The ball jars, they're great. You can do a lot with them. No, we are not sponsored.
Hey,
We
sponsor
just use
us
them.
if you would like to though. That'd be cool.
I'm not sponsored with anybody or anything. To be honest.
Honestly, sponsor.
Oh, it would be awesome, but I'm into it all.
Splash of water. Get the grease.
Looks good. I'm ready to see the cheese go on it. That's my favorite part. Yeah, the veggies too, but I'm a cheese freak. Oh, goodness. Those great eggs. It's nice and quiet and peaceful and peaceful. Hear the trees. Alright.
Trying to spit.
Put the cheese on it.
You gotta wait until they cook a little more. Yeah, you cook all your cheese off.
I ain't going nowhere but right in it. What is she trying to tell the older sister something? Or something. She still knows how to cook decently. No, I'm just kidding. So leave me alone. Yeah, damn, it cooks. We all cook all right. I cook a little better than all right, but oh, I'm just kidding.
You do.
Thank you.
Yes.
I enjoy cooking.
I do sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes like
It's just a chore.
when it's a weekend or if I get off of work early, but
No pressure.
I
No
get home late.
time.
I have a long day, a long commute. I mean, I still cook and work nights, but it's not so much and enjoy it on those nights always. And I make big meals usually,
Yes, you do.
so they take time.
Turn them up a little bit.
I don't need the big meals anymore because it's not like it was years ago when I'm feeding a house full of boys and so I've had to learn to minimize. There goes the cheese. That's what I was waiting for, folks. See, and I'm about to take that bag and just dump the whole thing over for her. Help her out just a little bit. What you think?
Not all at once.
Oh, here we go.
There we go.
Again, I'm gonna leave her alone. No, I'm just kidding. Looks great.
Good. I keep mixing it too much.
Scent it like trees. And I have so much pride, I'm OCD about it. I won't stop until it looks perfect. Now, nothing is perfect, but I don't know, when you put good intentions and a little pride into it, it always looks better and you feel better about it, I think.
Effort.
Care too.
Mm-hmm.
Pine cones falling, that's what that is.
That's what it sounds like.
I got hit on the head with one. Doesn't feel so great coming from 20 feet up.
Oh, that's real good.
It was funny because it scared me. Wasn't expecting it.
Yeah, I bet.
You can hear them thumping away.
Mm-hmm. And that's my children there.
They could be. That's what that could be. That's very well it. Joey's probably over there hitting something. Or hitting the pine cones.
Mm-hmm.
We were playing baseball with them yesterday. Well, I'm going to give Danielle a minute to finish cooking and walk away and go check on the gate real quick. Go down.
All right, y'all, we got these plates going. Here's
Yeah, I
mine.
didn't give the final product.
Big old plate. Nice looking. Got a shell on the bottom with some grub. Thank you, ladies. We're about to eat. This man already, you can't even see what he had. It's already gone. Must be good.
What type of animal is that?
Oh, okay.